The question goes like this. A bucket is raised from a well by means of a rope which is wound round a wheel of diameter 77 centimeter. Given that it ascends in 1 minute and 28 seconds with a uniform speed of 1.1 meter per second, calculate the number of complete revolutions the wheel makes in raising the bucket. The speed with which the bucket ascends is 1.1 meter per second, and the time taken for the bucket to ascend is 1 minute and 28 seconds, which is 88 seconds. There is a correlation between the movement of the bucket and the revolutions of the wheel. So, if we figure out the distance traveled by the bucket in the process of ascending, then we can calculate the number of complete revolutions that the wheel is making. Distance traveled by the bucket is speed into time, that is 1.1 meter per second into 88 seconds, which gives us 96.8 meters, that is 9680 centimeters. This is also the distance spanned by that wheel in n number of revolutions. We don't know the number of complete revolutions that the wheel has undergone in this process. So if we calculate the distance covered in one revolution, from that we can get the number of complete revolutions. For that we need to calculate the circumference of the wheel. Circumference of the wheel is 2 pi r 2 times 22 by 7 into the diameter of the wheel is 77 centimeter. So the radius is 77 upon 2, which gives us 242 centimeter. To get the number of revolutions, we have to divide the distance spanned by the circumference, which is 9680 upon 242, which is 40. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.